Hello everyone. In today's video, we are walking through the complete download and installation process for TwinCAT 3. TwinCAT is powerful PC-based control software. It's a modern, flexible system that is fully compatible with Industrial 4.0 standards. It's integrated directly into Microsoft Visual Studio. That means you aren't limited to just the traditional NAND logic. You can also use C and C++ to program your automation project. Let's get started. First, we should download this software. In the browser search box, you type in TwinCAT 3 download. Then go to back of automation website. Okay. Then go to TwinCAT 3 download. Okay, in here, this is TwinCAT 3 download. You touch click. So you should have logged in. Okay, click here, register. You should fill all of this stuff. First, you register his customer. Okay, you fill all the stuff, just submit. Okay, then you can download. You got some email. You download. Then you can go here. Back to here. Look, here is open. Is lock is open. Before here is in here is lock. Okay. Here is open. So we can download. It's TwinCAT 3. It's version 4.24.75. Okay. It's the TwinCAT 3.1. Click here. Then you can download. I download already. Then we install. Double click here. Okay. We click next. Acceptable the agreement. Next. Here he say acceptable. The Twin can use third-party software. Okay, doesn't matter. Next. Install. Okay. Would you like to install this software? Yeah. Install. Look, here is Microsoft Visual Studio. It's TwinCAT installed everything. That's it, finish. You must restart again. Okay. Three is the interface, so you double click open project. Here, now we just new project. Okay, we choose this one, TwinCAT XAE project. Okay, we new project, we test. Okay. Here, look, it look like Studio, Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio. But this way, you can use C++ or you PLC in here, or the POU in here, main program, okay? You can name. You can use ST. It's a strategic test. You can use LD, late logic diagram, okay? You can use function flow diagram. The most time in here use strategic test, okay? Now we just main in here, similar. First start this one. Okay, that's it. Later, we talk about how to do program. Okay, thank you very much.